Hi, how are you doing? Today we are going to make a dining table centerpiece using our accordion paper cones. You will need a pair of scissors, a needle, thread, and of course your pre-made paper cones. Okay, set them aside just to create room on your working top and thread your needle. Okay, now let's arrange our cones just to see how the centerpiece will look like. Okay, that looks perfect. So all you're gonna do is to join them using our needle and thread. Pass your needle through the little holes at the bottom of your paper cones. It's not hard. I started by joining two pieces together and then continued with the rest. I found it easier doing so. Sorry, I found that I was off camera. Sorry for that. But I hope you'll get all the steps as we proceed. In case you miss out on any step, kindly let me know and I'll do something about it. Okay, once you've joined them, you can do a double knot to secure them and then continue joining the rest of the pieces as we're doing here. Continue joining the cones together until you achieve the desired arrangement. Right, so now I'm adding the last piece on this set. There we go. Okay, looks perfect. So let's tie all of them together. Then cut using real scissors. Okay, done with piecing them together, and there we have our first centerpiece. Looking good. Okay, we'll continue piecing the rest of the cones until we have the number of centerpieces that we need on our table. You can use as many or as little cones as you want, depending on the size and the arrangement that you want on your centerpiece. We have used 3 to make this little centerpiece as shown. We've used 2 pink cones and 1 white. Okay, we are done with all our paper cones, and this is the outcome. Have a 3-piece centerpiece. And the rest have 5 pieces. Okay, there we have our centerpieces, all ready to decorate our table. You can use this concept during Valentine to decorate your dining table. There we have our centerpieces. How are they? Let me know, and share your centerpieces once you make them. We have another view. Thank you for watching. And see you soon.